many bad bitches on here. There's so many bad bitches on here. I don't think you understand, bro. The thong outside of the pajamas. Another Latina. Okay. Green flags I look for, easy to manipulate. Wait. Well, you're trans? No. No. I'm gonna be so real, bro. She's so bad to where, like, that might not even faze me. Bro, if she's neutered, all my life I'm cracking. Nelly? So her government is Nelson then. Alright, let's lock in. Let's do it. Bro, please tell me you're neutered. How do you spell neutered? Ah. I've never been with your species before, so it would have to be a secret, but I fuck with you. No lie. Heart done. Send.